Hey guys, I'm back. I know it's been a while since I started filming. Probably almost a year now since I've been filming. Lots been going on. I actually moved back to Maryland from Tennessee, and I'm back around my family and friends. I'm really happy right now. I'm in a good place. Got promoted at my job, so I'm really happy, and I'm back now. I'm going to be trying to film more consistently for my channel and do more content and try to be as consistent as possible. So I appreciate the guys who stuck around and kept subscribing to my channel and didn't leave me. So thank you. Now, what I'm going to talk about today, I'm really excited. So, if you've ever heard of the brand Makeup Monsters Cosmetics, they rebranded, I think last year or 2 years ago, it was to Menagerie Cosmetics. And they came out with this really cute palette recently. It's called the Killer Purr palette. And it looks like this. It's super cute. It has the cute little lions on it, which I absolutely adore. And this is the back, and I really appreciate all of the cover art that's on like their palettes and stuff. It's really pretty. And if you open the palette, this is what the inside of the palette looks like. It's super cute. I really love this color story, one because it's so cohesive and easy to work with, for people who aren't like really trying to go and be obsessed with color and stuff like that, and it's just wearable basically. First I'm going to be swatching these shades, and then next I'm going to be doing a look using this palette. So if you would like to watch, keep on watching. First shade will be Drought. It's like this banana like cream type of yellow. It's a matte shade. That's what that looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. It's like extremely light, but it is there. And it's kind of a good shade to put in your crease as like a transition shade. So next is the shade Cub, and it's kind of like this matte caramel type of looking color. It's like a camel color. Trying to make them as pigmented as possible. Here we go. That's what that looks like. Next shade I'm going to swatch is the Hunt. It's like this burnt terracotta, burnt red color. And this is also a matte shade. That's what that looks like. And all these shadows go on super well. They're super pigmented. As far as the swatches goes, I haven't used this palette yet, so this is my first impression with it. The next shade is Prowl. It's the shimmer shade in the top row. It's like a goldish color, and it's with like a hint of brown. It's really pretty. Ooh, chunky. There we go, right there. Sorry about the light, guys. I know it's kind of harsh. That's what that looks like right there. Next, we're going to swatch the shade Chase. It's that shade right there. It's kind of like a hint of salmon with like a pinkish nude color, and this is a matte shade. And this, oh god, that was awful. Let me see. This one's hard to swatch. Okay, this one right here. I know you guys can't see kind of what I'm talking about right. Okay, next shade I'm going to swatch is Antelope. It's like a matte, like dark taupe color. It's like a dusty brown. It's really nice. It's like a cool tone brown. It's really pretty. It looks good. Looks like that. I love that color. That's really pretty, and that went on really well. Super pigmented. Next shade I'm going to swatch is Baobab. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Sorry if I'm butchering it, but it's this matte hunter green color, this khaki green, which is super cute. I love this. You can already tell it's like pigmented as hell. Oh my god. Look at that. That's so cute. I love that color. Next shade I'm going to swatch is the shade Pride, which is kind of similar to this shade, Antelope, but this one's more warmer tone and it kind of has more of a hint of red in it. And this is also a matte. Oh, that's cute. See, now that they're like next to each other, they're kind of not similar at all. I don't really understand what I was thinking. And just ignore me. Alright. And the next shade I'm going to swatch, this is the last row, is Mighty Roar. This is like a really unique shade in my opinion, because this is like a brown, but it's also a shift of like dark purple to it, which is really cool. This is a matte shade, and this is Mighty Roar. Right up here. Yeah, right there. It's really pretty. Next shade is the last and second shimmer shade called Lioness. This is also extremely chunky, but it seems pigmented. Like right there. It's really cute. It's like a goldish, like bronzy shade, but it's like a gold shift to it. It's really pretty. I absolutely love that. And the last shade, which probably would have to be my favorite because I'm obsessed with teal, is this teal matte color. It looks extremely pigmented already, and it's called Watering Hole right here. Yeah, I can already tell that's like super pigmented. Alright, so that was the swatches of this palette. So I'm going to be doing a first impression look and slash tutorial using this. So you guys want to see that, keep on watching. Alright guys, I am back. I was trying to get rid of the swatches all over my hands, and let me tell you guys, this freaking teal shade stains the living shit out of your hand or wherever you put this. So if that's something that's a problem for you, I would not use this shade. But honestly, it's really not that big of a deal for me. Eventually it'll just come off, it's whatever. But I'm going to do a tutorial using this palette. And first I wanted to talk about this a little bit. So Menagerie is an indie brand. This palette retails for $32 US. So you can order it on their website. I think right now they're still doing a pre-order. So if you guys want to pick this up, you can go ahead and go to menageriecosmetics.com or go through their Instagram page or whatever. I really don't know what I'm gonna do yet, to be honest, with this look. But to start out, I think I'm going to lay down the shade Maine, that matte brown in the bottom row. And I'm going to lay that down just on my crease as like a transition shade, using a fluffy Morphe blending brush. Let's go in with that shade Mighty Roar and kind of start putting that along like the outer part of my crease cup. Shit, there's a lot of kick up. Okay. So with Mighty Roar, that was a lot of kick up, and I barely dipped into the pan. But I mean, it's really not that big of a deal. Just blow it away. I'm gonna start kind of stamping that on the outside. Lightly bring it in to the crease, but not all the way to the end. Kind of like that. Kind of just adding some depth to this look. Like that. And do that on the other eye. it's good to just stamp it on first so it doesn't like lose its pigment. So it kind of looks like that right now. Sorry, this side's a little messed up. I'll clean it up later. Alright, so next we're gonna kind of start working into the inner part of the crease. I'm going to put that Boa Bob shade, the green, the hunter green. I think that'll look really cute. Make sure you guys don't like mix it too much or else it'll muddy up. Just putting that right in the inner part of my crease right here, closest to my nose. Kinda got it fall out right there, so I'll also clean that up later. And next I'm going to put a shade on the lid. This will be kind of just like a basic kind of look. I'm going to put the shade Lioness. It's that brown shimmer right here. I'm going to put that all over my lid. This is like extremely chunky. I don't know what's going on with this, but I mean, it's not a bad shade or a bad shadow or anything like that. It's just kind of, it's not sticking to my brush. Maybe I should spray my brush. Alright. Let's see if that helps at all. I'm definitely gonna have to clean up under my eye after this. It's like strange. I don't know what's going on with the shadow. I watch other reviews and no one really seems to have this problem or talked about it, but I'm having this problem. I don't know, maybe I should just go in with my finger. So that's what we got so far. So I'm gonna actually go back in to the brown shade and that green shade and kind of make the color a little bit more prominent. Start with the brown shade. We want that to still show up in our look without getting too faded. Again, using those little small stamping motions so that you don't lose that pigment. Going in again with the green shade. Lightly going in so it's not too harsh. Still not mixing it too much with the brown so it doesn't muddy up. I'm going to take this clean blending brush by Morphe. Decided to kind of go around the edges right here, kind of blend that out. Not too much obviously, but so it doesn't look as harsh. So that looks good. Now I'm going to put something in my lower lash line. I might actually just go back in with that green shade, the hunter green. Kind of start dragging that along the lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with that packing brush. Not a packing brush, but you know, the green shade at the top because that kind of got a little faded when I was blending it out. Alright, so that is the eye look. I'm going to put on some mascara, eyeliner, stuff like that, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. So this is the completed look. I think it turned out really good and really cute. So I started out tightlining my eyes on my waterline and kind of going around the lash line with the ColourPop eyeliner. What shade is this? This is called Fast Lane. It's that dark green color, forest green color. And next I put on my Essence Lash Princess mascara as usual. I also went in the inner corner, kind of just to add a little something just to pop, with the little Black Moon Cosmetics mini Cosmic Eye Dust in the shade ET. This comes in that little trio, for our trio bundle. And lastly, on my lips, of course, I had to do something green with it, and I thought it looked cute, super cute with this really like grungy, like huntery look. This is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick from his, I think, 2016 holiday collection in the shade Crocodile Tears. So I love how this look turned out. I think it's really cute. I think it's really grungy and kind of like smoky and stuff. I really love this palette, honestly. Menagerie's formula is spot on, like usually all the time. I have quite a few of their palettes so far, and the only concern for me that I had using this was the shimmer shade that I used, Lioness. You can see right here, it kind of has this weird texture, and it was really hard to pick up with my brush even after spraying it, and I'm not really sure why. The rest of the shadows perform absolutely beautifully. It turned out really pigmented, and they blended seamlessly, in my opinion. I absolutely love the Mighty Roar and the Hunter Green shade. I think it turned out great. So if you guys want this palette, it's at menageriecosmetics.com on their website. And it should be up for pre-order, but if not, then it should be coming soon, because they're really good about like restocking and keeping up with their stuff. So I absolutely think this palette is so cute. It's wonderful. It's a great color story. It's easy to work with. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to keep pushing myself to do more content more frequently and more consistently. If you guys are interested, I really appreciate you guys sticking around, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.